All right, we're gonna go rogue here. Lightning questions. I'm ready.
Most underrated part of building a custom home?
The hiccups. There are hiccups that happen all day long, and I think you have to expect those.
One thing homeowners always forget to budget for?
Home automation.
What separates a luxury home from an expensive home?
Luxury home has the deepest dives on details.
One feature worth splurging on every time?
Wood floors.
Best investment for long-term home value?
Home health, insulation, roof, HVAC system that can pull humidity or add humidity to the home.
Most important relationship during a build?
Builder. Builder.
What's something clients stress about unnecessarily?
I don't think there's unnecessary. I think there's stress in home building and clients feel it and should share it.
What's something clients should care more about?
Respect.
One thing that makes projects run smoothly?
Systems.
One luxury feature that's actually practical?
Window coverings that are automated.
What is the biggest shift you've seen in homeowner priorities over the past year or two?
People are now wanting their homes to feel more cozy, like enough room to feel cozy, not massive ceilings and big wide open rooms. They want to feel at home.
They want rooms, not open concepts.
Yes, they want rooms, not open concepts.
What is your favorite room in a home?
Workout room, cold plunge, sauna, workout room for sure.
Your favorite phase of construction?
Kind of love all of it, but if I had to pick, I love trim carpentry. I love precision. I love watching people work so hard, and it's really visible and evident throughout the entire process.
Biggest lesson you've learned from building homes?
Consistency wins. A great attitude elevates a situation. Believing in others, valuing others, showing up, knowing that you're going to do your best because today matters.
Do you have a dream client you want to work with?
We're so fortunate. The dreamy clients, here are my dreamy clients. Ready? Really high level of standards for themselves and for others, because that means that we're getting better and better throughout the entire process together. And you know, when you put a ton of effort into something and everybody really cares, at the end, it's so gratifying.
What's one thing every custom home should have?
And there's so many. Solid core doors.
What causes the biggest frustrations during construction?
Not knowing what decisions they need to make. They don't want to be in panic mode for 2 years. So they like to be over prepared by their team.
What's harder for a homeowner, renovating or building?
I think renovating's tough because the unknowns are higher.
What creates the strongest builder-client relationships?
The ability to know that you can talk openly with each other.
Okay, last one. What's one piece of advice you would give a homeowner who's about to start a custom home build?
You have to have the right mindset up front because anything and everything will happen. You have your life going on, you have a home build going on, and the combination of those two are very stressful. So I would say meditation works well, an open dialogue of communication, giving your team the space, showing that there's space for them to come to you and that you have space to hold that information and get back to them. And then really just to understand that with a lot of hard work and great communication, this could be one of the best experiences you've ever had in your life with the people you're working with the people who are building your home. Remember, they're extremely grateful to have that opportunity to really feed their families. And there are a lot of people involved in construction. And just to know that everything that you're investing is well worth the ride with the best team that you can put together.